Welcome back to Trading with CJ, and if you've been watching my channel for a while, you will know that I'm very much a bull when it comes to BYND Meat. I absolutely love this stock, and I love the sector that is in going forward. Along with Tattooed Chef, I'm a firm believer in this brand and these products. So yeah, this is a industry for me that is growing and growing, okay? And a lot of people think this sector is just a fad, and a lot of people don't like it. They think, nah, I'm not staying clear of that one. But for me, this is a really big growing opportunity, and I think a lot more people are going to be heading towards plant-based or meat alternative products in the future. But saying that, BYND Meat just can't seem to catch a break at the moment, yeah? Their stock has been falling and falling after all sorts of different news coming out over the recent months. So we're just going to run through this, a quick update on BYND Meat, and see why the latest crash, or latest sell-off I should say, is happening in BYND Meat. So I want to take you back to November time, okay? And this was the really big one where we saw a massive drop in BYND Meat. And articles come out and they basically reported their earnings. That's why. They reported their earnings and it wasn't good. They missed their earnings. So they had a big miss and it tumbled almost 29%, the share price of this company. They generated 94.4 million in revenue and a loss of 28 cents per share versus 132.8 million and 5 cents per share loss that analysts had actually expected. So it was a lot less than analysts were predicting and expecting for the quarter, leading to a massive sell-off, okay? And that was basically due to COVID. Their sales have plummeted, okay? People don't want to go out and buy all their sort of expensive products and stuff. And so yeah, they're aware of this, okay? They haven't been affected from it for the previous quarters, but now they're feeling the effect of it, okay? And so I'm assuming this will probably carry on because we're still in the same predicament, okay? I do think this is going to have bad sales, and you know what? That might be priced in now a little bit. I do think it might have a little sell-off, but we are seeing sell-off after sell-off in this company. And yeah, the price for me is looking really, really attractive. We'll have a look here at why it's had a recent sell of about, I think it's down about 8% at the moment now, something like that. And the reason is analysts have downgraded their prediction, okay? An analyst from Piper Sandler has downgraded his rating. It was originally overweight, and he's downgraded it to neutral. His price target was $144 per share, now down to $125 per share. And he believes that the consensus estimates are currently too high. Company's fourth quarter sales could once again disappoint. And I do agree with this. I do agree that the sales won't be what we're looking for in the next quarter. But we're not investing in this company for its next quarter results, are we? We're investing into BYND Meat for the next 5 years results. We want this company to explode, and I really do think it will explode. So the more that this price keeps selling off, for me, is a buying opportunity. Let's jump into this company's share price. So I think the clue's in the title of this thumbnail. I have bought more, okay? I've loaded up, and I will happily load up. At anything less than $120 per share, I think this is an absolute bargain price. And if it got anything less than $110, 100% I'm buying. Do you know what I mean? If it gets to that price, I'm definitely buying. We're going to look at the 1 year graph over here because it's been quite volatile, okay? We had the crash back in March, which sent it all the way down to $54 per share. I mean, $54 for a company like BYND Meat, taking the industry by storm right now. Yes, there's a lot of other companies coming onto the scene, Impossible Foods, Tattooed Chef, some smaller penny stocks at the moment. But yeah, this is the leader in the field, and I think it's going to be a leader for a long time, okay? Definitely. And there's still plenty of opportunity to have more companies out there in this sector. This is just getting started, in my opinion. So yeah, $54 was an absolute steal. And then yeah, it ran all the way up to around about almost $200, $195 to be precise, back in about October time. Then we had the bad earnings and the milk plant burger come out. That's a good thing in some respects because obviously they're partnered with one of the biggest restaurant chains. But, the name isn't there. It's not Beyond Burger like it is with Burger King with Impossible Foods. It's not the Beyond Burger, okay? But they are expanding into a lot more restaurants. So, yeah, we saw a sell-off thanks to the earnings, etc. So, yeah, if we now take you back to the last 5 days, look here, you can see a big old sell-off, okay? We are currently sitting down at this moment in time about 8%, 7.5%, something like that, which doesn't sound a lot, but we're talking about a company here with a massive market cap of about 7.5 billion. So a movement like 8% in just a couple of days, that is a big movement for a company like this. And for me, it's a buying opportunity. We can see the current price is around about $118 per share, and that is an absolute steal. That's a good price in my opinion, okay? That's also less than the downgraded analyst rating of 125. And this is a company, like we say, for the future. This is not going to be making huge amounts of money now. It's making a loss, as we know. But yeah, I do think that in the next year or two, we're going to see production ramp up for this company. The name's going to get out there even more. And I think we're going to be seeing some very good games. So yeah, I'm happy to buy at these prices. I have bought at these prices. And yeah, I'm holding for sure. Let me know your thoughts on BYND Meat. Is this a company that you own? Did you buy more on the sell-off, or have you actually sold? Let me know down below. And as usual, if you could smash the like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, that is of course always appreciated. Thanks for watching, and until next time.